uh, First of all, to change the gasket, uh, make sure you take the negative battery terminal off. Take the negative off. Then there's a 210mm bolt for the cover. Take the cover out. Then there's a 10mm. Take all this bolt out. After that, when you take this all bolt out, after that you have to lose. This is also 10mm. You can take with the gun, or just go by oral, like out to in, just from here and here. Just take all this out. After that, let me take this out, then I'll show you what is inside the engine. After you open this, you have to clean very good cleaning. See the little RTV is here, old RTV with the scraper, the blade. Take all the residue out. This is really clean, not too bad, this one. To clean everywhere. There's a little bit RTV in every corner, so you have to clean those. And when you put it back, you have to put a little bit of RTV in the corner too. Clean the rack, or if you have like a brake clean, you can clean the brake clean. Put a little bit of brake clean on the shop napkin, tissue, and clean like this. This is pretty clean engine, really. So some we have to clean. Then clean the valve cover as well. Like put give a little bit of brake clean. Like you see the gasket it will be inside the groove. So you can put a little bit of brake oil right here. I mean the brake cleaner. With the shop rack, just cleaning. Make sure there's nothing in the groove right there. See the groove? The gasket will sit right there inside the groove. So clean, very good. Make sure there's nothing inside the groove. And put in all the oil, all the red, like a dirt and oil, everything. Give it good clean. You can use a wire brush. This one is not too bad, really. It's clean. So right there's a gasket for the spark plug hole. So you need to clean this hole too. Get it clean. So just make sure there's nothing inside the grooves, because the gasket will be sitting right there. After that, you just put the gasket. The gasket come. Let me show you. This is the old gasket. This is the old gasket. I'm just showing how you're gonna put it in, because I ordered the gasket. Is coming. By the time I'll show you how to do that. Just I mean, it's very easy. Just put the right there. Make sure it's sitting in the groove. I don't know, somebody put a lot of RTVs in here. You don't need a lot of RTVs for this gasket. Let the gasket do the work for his jobs. You don't have to too much RTV inside. Just in the corner you can put a little bit in the corner, right? This corner, right here, and this corner. That's it. You don't have to put like this. Somebody put a lot of RTVs everywhere, or maybe he used very old gasket this way. Then you just go inside the groove, right there, right there. There you go. So make sure it's sitting good seal all the way. Make sure it's sitting inside very good, otherwise it's gonna leak in the spark plug hole. You have to be very careful with this. So there, when you put it in, just like this. Sorry, this came out. Sit. Sitting. That, make sure to put all these hose. Don't forget the hose. You gotta put it in the hose. See this hose, the clamp back like this. This thing like this is from the oil. Right there. There. Long 2 ball. Let's go in the middle. Just showing to you guys. After that, you just put all the bolt and nuts. It's nut right here. Tie it up a little bit in the middle first. Another nut right. Tie it up all the way. Just tie it. Bolt. This bolt in the corner. There's another bolt in the corner. In the middle. The 2 bolts in the corner, so make sure one in here. Just showing this how to. You'll see how to tie this bolt. and in this corner you see the hole really. I don't have to show all this. Where is the hole? You will see when you do that. When you tie up the bolt, you have to go by order, like into out, into out. First tie a little bit this one, and the other side, the middle. Maybe this, not too much side, just you feel like all of them same type. There's one right here. Right here. Right here. Here. There. There's the one right here. Don't forget to tie the middle ball. There's a two ball in the middle, long ball. Make sure you put the long ball in the middle. Just go like this. And this one. Now this is a tidying. When you tie it up, don't tie all the way, otherwise this ball will go. When you do this, you'll see, you feel it. You'll feel just all of them same time. That's here. You can feel it. Don't tie like this all the way like this. Just put middle finger right here, thumb. This one. Let it go right here. Right here. Don't over tight. Just go one more time. Just make sure it's tight. You put hand right here. That's it. This one is tight already. Yeah, that's enough, guys. Don't tie it like crazy. This should be enough. After that, put all the ignition coil back. Just put all the plug. This one you don't have to remember which ways go where. This is really before you do this, there's one ball, small ball. So There's one little bolt right there for the harness, wiring harness. It's right here. Now I can just do it like this. All the connections for